So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix please verify you are a human press and hold CAPTCHA error bypass and troubleshoot. So why this CAPTCHA appears? Many sites use interactive press and hold human check to block bots while letting real user continue. These are provided by anti-bot services like Cloudflare, Turnstile, Parameter X and similar. To check can get stuck or repeatedly fails if your browser blocks script, cookies or gives unusual traffic. VPN's privacy DNS automation tools. Community threads and vendor forums show browser privacy settings and network issues are common causes. So, common reason for CAPTCHA errors: slow or unstable internet connection, VPN or proxy enabled, browser cookies or cache issues, then too many requests in a short time, ad blockers or script blockers interfering. These triggers confuse the system and make it doubt you are a human or not. So there are fix one: basic troubleshooting. Try incognito tab or private window in which there are no extension available. Then disable VPN proxy custom DNS temporarily. Then make sure JavaScript is enabled and cookies are allowed. Try a different browser or device. Help isolate if it's the machine or site. These actions remove common local blockers, extension, private DNS, blocked script that stop the widget from running or validating the hold action. So for Chrome desktop, enabling JavaScript is a simple step. Open Chrome, then menu, then settings, then go to privacy and security, then site settings, then JavaScript, make sure allowed. Recommendation is on. Then the second step is clear cache and cookies. Go to Chrome, then more tools, then clear browsing data. Select all time, check cookies and other site data and cached image and files, then clear data. So it's a same exact step like before. For enabling JavaScript, open Chrome, then menu, then settings, then privacy and security, site settings, then JavaScript and make sure to allowed. Disable extension. For disabling extension, manage extension, toggle off ad block privacy extensions. Simple step. Try incognito. Press Ctrl Shift plus N together to open private browser and try logging in. Second, update Chrome. Menu, then go to help, then about Google Chrome, install if available. Cloud or anti-bot check requires JavaScript and cookies exchange, clearing cache, broken cookies and turning off extension. Ensure the verification widget loads and the website can complete server-side validation. For Firefox, desktop and mobile also, enabling JavaScript normally enabled by default. But in case this is not enabled by default, then these are the steps. Firefox enable JS by default. If disabled, go to about config, search javascript.enabled and set it to true, advanced user only. Then how to clear cookies and cache. Go to menu, then settings, then privacy and security, then cookies and site data, then go to clear data. Choose cached web content and cookies only, then clear them. So other methods are: try private window by pressing Ctrl Shift plus P together. Then update Firefox from menu, then go to help, then about Firefox, then if update is available, update it. Firefox strict privacy modes or extension can block the widget scripts, cookies, handshake, clearing and disabling them. Let the verification complete. For Microsoft Edge, desktop and mobile also, both devices. For clearing browsing data, go to Edge, then settings, then go to profile. Under top settings, clear browsing data. Choose what to clear now or shortcut. Ctrl plus Shift plus delete. This is the shortcut to clear your browsing data. Then also ensure JavaScript is allowed. Edge uses same engine as Chrome. Ensure site setting permit JS. Try in private windows, disable extension and update Edge. by go to menu, then help and feedback, then about Microsoft Edge. Simple principle: allow script and cookies and eliminate interfering extension or corrupted cache. Then for Safaris, Mac OS or Apple machines. For clearing cache data, go to Safari, then settings, then privacy, then manage website data. Remove all. This helps you to remove all specific sites which are hanging in ad blocking or showing your cache data. So the second step is enable JavaScript. For enabling JavaScript, go to Safari, then settings, then security, then ensure enable JavaScript is checked. If it's unchecked, toggle this on to check the JavaScript is enabled. Third step is, if needed, enable desktop menu, go to Safari, then settings, then advanced, then show develop menu, then develop empty cache. Safari privacy features and content blockers can prevent the anti-bot widget from loading or storing validation tokens. Clearing and enabling JS resolve that. Some anti-bot checks rely on backend IP reputation and DNS resolution. Flushing stale DNS or switching from privacy DNS provide that block tracking can stop false positive and also the verification server to be reached. Fix 2. Try different network and disable automation. It is very crucial and important step. Try a different network. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot. Community threads show some ISP proxy networks cause repeating loops. Then disable automation tooling. Selenium Playwright. If you are running any automated software, the service detect automation fingerprints. Scraping community resource come from anti-bot service can flag automated browser even when they simulate human behavior. Also, network and automation fingerprints are major signal anti-bot service use. Changing network or stopping automation remove the signal. Third fix is use common browser. If using DNS level blocking, Pi-hole, NextDNS, DNAdblock, temporarily disable it or whitelist the target site. If using heavy tracking blocking browser, Brave, Opera with strict settings, try Chrome Firefox for a test. Ad blockers and privacy DNS often break the script, cause cookie flows the widget needs to validate a real user. Thank you, and don't forget to make sure like and subscribe us.